Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. Now in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the problem when Apple Intelligence is not working on your iPhone Air. So nowadays Apple Intelligence was released on every country, even in European Union. So now we can use Apple Intelligence everywhere. Of course, it's not the intelligence, it's just visual intelligence powered by Google. It's writing intelligence powered by ChatGPT. And that's it. And maybe from Apple we have only generation of strange images and I don't know, maybe erasing objects from photos. Okay, so what the main reason why it's not working? It's just because of strange thing. If you have in settings, so open general, find here in settings language and region, and here you'll see the region. If you have a region different than United States, for example Poland, like in my case, for example, Apple Intelligence will not working. But if you will remove everything, so if you'll erase your iPhone, set it up like United States region during setup, but then change it back to your country, so you will have normally Apple Intelligence. So what should we do if you have different region than United States or United Kingdom and you just don't have Apple Intelligence? So the first thing you can try is to open settings, language and region, find here region and select here United States. Then go back to the main settings menu, find here Apple Intelligence, enable Apple Intelligence here, and wait until it downloads all Apple Intelligence files. So you should wait for about 20 minutes. If it's still downloading, if you have the problem when it's constantly downloading but never downloads, so you should you should reset your phone to standard settings. How to do that? You should open settings, then find transfer or reset iPhone, click erase all content and settings, click continue and erase your iPhone. Confirm your PIN code and wait until all your data will be backed up to the iCloud drive. I will skip this step because I don't want to back up files because I have no important data on my iPhone. Then confirm your password, click turn off, wait for about 15 seconds or something about it. It's just checking your password, very long time for some reason. Okay, and now we just should wait until it erased, and then let's start to set up our device in the right way. Okay, now our iPhone Air is new, and let's set it up in the right way. So select the language, English, right? Then select the country, and here is the most important part of the whole process. So select here United States. It's really important. I don't know why, if it works in different regions too, but it works only when you selected it during the setup. Okay, choose a Wi-Fi network. So for example, I'll select mine. You should select yours. Okay, and then you should perform just normal setup. So log into your account, and after logging in to your account, I'll back to you. Okay, click continue. I'll trade in an account. You can set up cellular if you want. Okay, Apple Pay, I will set it up later. but maybe you restored everything from the backup. But here is now the second most important part. So set up Apple Intelligence right now. We should do that right now when we have US region, right? So you can enable notification summarizing. It's a cool feature, as I think. Turn on priority notification. You can if you want. Now camera control. Enable camera control. Visual intelligence. Enable visual intelligence. Okay. Action button. No, it's not about intelligence. Okay. Wait a while. I'll set up Siri later. You should set up Siri now. Okay. So click set up Siri. And cool, get started. And now, as you can see, when I'll click, press and hold a camera button. Oops, so sorry. Camera button. As you can see, now I have downloading support for visual intelligence in downloading, right? So click Go Settings, and here be sure that Apple Intelligence is enabled. Talk to Siri, you can have it enabled too. And now just take a look how many settings I have here right now, right? Oh, as you can see, the new thing just showed here, but we should wait for about 15 minutes. Okay, so I'll back to you after maybe 5 or 10 minutes, just to show you how it will looks like when Apple Intelligence will be downloaded. Okay, after several minutes, just open App Store, click Continue, turn on personalized ads or turn it off as you like. Allow location, of course, we should allow location. And now wait for about several minutes here in the App Store. And now after you, as you can see, ready for Apple Intelligence. After you opened, after you waited for 7, 10, maybe 15 minutes, and then logged in to the App Store, you will have this message: ready for Apple Intelligence. Time to experience the new personal intelligence system. Okay, open settings, and now here in extensions we have ChatGPT. So okay, hold on, click on it, click use ChatGPT, click next, enable ChatGPT. Okay, download the official application, sign into your ChatGPT account. You can sign in using Apple ID or Google. Okay, here we are. And cool. Now let's check how it works. So the thing number 1, open camera, take some photo. Hello, continue. Yeah. Thank you, man. Take some photo. Then open this photo, click edit. Wait a while. Click clean up and wait for preparing clean up, just because Apple should download clean up tool. This is AI tool too, and it should download it too. So okay, just wait for a while till it will be downloaded. But now let's open the playground, and as you can see, playground works. It's not saying that we are in not eligible region or something about it. Now you can, for example, I don't know, mix some emojis, choose person or something about it, and then okay, and then generate images. For example, as you can see, image was successfully generated. Okay, what about notes? Let's open notes. Click continue. open some node, or let's write new one. And as you can see here, we have Apple Intelligence icon, right? So click on it and describe your change. For example, it asks about describe your change. I have nothing, so I can prompt just write an essay about ducks. Okay, use ChatGPT. Wait for a while, and as you can see, there is a short essay about ChatGPT. About dogs, and now we can rewrite it and make some changes. We can change the tone, friendly, or I don't know, or something else. As you can see, for example, we should select the text we want to change, and then click, for example, professional tone. Yeah, and now as you can see, it changed it to professional tone. Click OK to save to save changes. And cool, that's it. Here is our this intelligence, ChatGPT. What about Google Intelligence? Press and hold. Okay, Visual Intelligence is not opening. We should say, oh, okay, it works. Press and hold camera button to open Visual Intelligence. Then click Continue. Yeah, and now let's take an image of Stream Deck, for example. Okay. As you can see, what we have here. So, click Search, click Continue. Wait a while, results from Google, and as you can see, here we have our Stream Decks, for example, right? You can click on Siri button to turn on the Siri. And now click Ask. Yeah, you can click Ask, Continue, and now you can ask ChatGPT about it. For example, what is it? You can ask a question, and as you can see, it's an Elgato Stream Deck, a customizable control device. Yeah, it's true. Okay, what's next? For example, you have something on strange language. For example, here you have something on Chinese. Let's take a photo. And as you can see, it automatically detects QR codes, web links, or something, right? But I'm interested in this, so I can select the text I want to translate. Okay. And I can translate it. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's it. This is Apple Intelligence, and hope it works for you. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to leave me a like and a comment below this video. Thank you for watching again, and see you next time.